How to get InVideo AI coupon code. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get InVideo AI coupon code. InVideo is an online video creation platform that enables users to create and edit videos easily, even without prior video editing experience. Now if you want to get InVideo AI coupon code, you need to first visit the website of CouponFollow. Here you will find different available coupon codes of InVideo. For that, you need to open any web browser on a device first, and on the search bar you need to type couponfollow.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of CouponFollow. Here this one is the official website of CouponFollow. Now once you reach to this page, at the top you will find this search box. Click on the search box and there type in invideo.io. Once you search for this keyword, you will find the search results below. Click on this invideo.io. Once you click on it, you will be presented with various coupon codes of InVideo AI available on this platform. Here you can scroll down and find the one that suits your need. From here, you may also click on the See Details link at the bottom of each of these codes, and from there you can find the detailed information. Now once you find the code that you would like to get, you need to click on the Show Coupon Code button at the right side, and once you do so, you will be presented with this pop-up window where you will find your coupon code. Now you can just tap on this copy button at the right side, and now it will be copied. Now you can go and redeem it at InVideo AI. You may also click on this Redeem at InVideo AI box right at the bottom, and from there you can directly go to the InVideo AI website, and from there you can use the code to redeem it. Also, if you want to get InVideo AI coupons instantly, then in this enter email box, enter your email address and then you can click on this Get Alerts button. By doing so, you will receive email whenever a fresh InVideo AI code is generated or found. So in this way you can get InVideo AI coupon codes. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.